morning from the rainy little village. That is Spis, I think. I've come to see the castle. Two things: covered in fog, which isn't a shock, and there's cranes all over it, which kind of just ruined the view. It's still so cool. Just stopped here for 10-15 minutes, and then I'm just going to hit the road and go straight to Bratislava. Just want to get there and get the car back to the airport so we can have an exploration of the capital. Nice little sofa, the bed. This place is stocked up. And the best bit, might stick that on later. So just arrived. I didn't really film much whilst on the road because I wanted to get here. I didn't stop, drove 5 hours straight, and my back is killing me. But that's it for the car now, so probably gonna just do a bit of walking around here. I'm like 10 minutes away from the old town, so pretty good. Just gonna chill out for about an hour and then have a little mooch. I'll check in with you then. I've literally just been listening to some vinyls because I've never used one lately. Should turn it off because I'll probably get a copyright claim. Yeah, never used one before. They're so cool. It's making me really want one. Be another purchase I don't need. Right, I'm hungry, so let's go get some food. And hopefully some more places will be open. Not everywhere's closed, apparently, according to the Airbnb host, which is a bonus. It was so awkward before because I had my backpack on, and the Airbnb host brought a child from school because she picked him up from school. I couldn't even fit in, so I stood facing the wall like this. Yeah, it was good, it was good. Staying right next to a cool church. So, just gonna head down to the old town. I think it's only like a 10-minute walk. Apparently there's loads of restaurants there and stuff, so go see what's there. It really does feel warm here compared to Poprad. Everyone's still wearing the beanies. I think mine can stay in the back now. So good. It's been a long wait for that. I think it's fair to say that food's filled me right up, and the beers are warming up as well. Well worth the wait. This old town is so cool. Whoa. This is why I love Europe. It's just there's so many cool like churches, castles. It's not that far to travel between countries, and you've got a completely different culture, different language. that's €3. Give the change. Thank you. Got a mulled wine, even though I'm not sure if I even like it, but why not? Whoa, that's strong. I just spilled it all over my hand. I'm not even gonna lie. Don't really like this, but I'm not gonna waste money. It's keeping me warm. I actually went to the stand because I saw a sign for hot chocolate and I went to the wrong stand. So straight after filming the mulled wine clip, my camera decided to die. Not really done much since then. Just came home and got all my stuff unpacked. Pretty standard night, to be honest. It's not been the most entertaining vlog because I had to travel all the way back from Poprad, which took a very long time, and I couldn't really film much because all I was doing was driving. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.